Sir, I would like to ask you that what tips will you like to give to a new PhD student?
Yeah, first of all, Mr. Chandan, I would like to inform you that I would like to aware you with one of the problems that as you can see that India is having so many universities. And when I
Mm-hmm.
talk to professors in various universities abroad, okay, they
Mm-hmm.
always say that some of the PhD theses are like useless, how they're getting passed. And
Mm-hmm.
even as a professional, I will not take the name of the universities today. Even I am getting lots of the thesis from the universities, and I can see that even mistakes in ETL are also there in literature. Sometimes the literature is so much ruggish or rubbish, I can say, ruggish and rubbish, I can say. And sometimes the objectives are not clear, sometimes the readability is not there, and we have to give them the complete report, and even that report means that you have to redraft your thesis automatically. So the
Mm-hmm.
quality of the thesis, you can say, Mr. Chandan, that actually it is getting low day by day, because
Mm-hmm.
today PhD is getting more towards like a danda and like a gun on your head that you, if you don't do PhD, you can't be appointed or otherwise. But
Mm-hmm.
let me tell you from your channel that I'm saying it openly, not every person is actually born for PhD.
Mm-hmm.
PhD is not for everybody. This is the first thing. Now, if
Mm-hmm.
you really want to do PhD, first of all, ask yourself that are you actually ready with the PhD? What is your experience? Have you done something new? Have you
Mm-hmm.
compared your work with existing works? Are you aware with the tools, with the techniques, and are
Mm-hmm.
you able to formulate something new? Then what is your thinking through which you
Mm-hmm.
have your awareness as well as your linking skills with the community? Then
Mm-hmm.
you are ready, Mr. Chandan, to do your
Mm-hmm.
PhD.
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see that if you say for universities of today, actually their pattern is totally wrong. They are saying that,
Mm-hmm.
okay, come for the test, then go for the interview, then go for your PhD. No. But according to me, like in foreign universities, we don't have any interview. We don't have any entrance test. We only consider what are your existing papers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And on those papers, why do you want, what extra you want to do? Because over here, that's why we are taking for your teaching statement. Suppose you are into IoT, what
Mm-hmm.
work you have done, what
Mm-hmm.
hardware you have designed, what work you
Mm-hmm.
have done in simulator, and what other things you want to extend. Okay.
Okay.
And second,
Okay.
you have to give us your proposal that, okay, you have to give your presentation that, okay,
Mm-hmm.
this will be my base and that's how I will be going towards my PhD. So actually
Okay.
selecting the PhD candidate is actually wrong in our
Okay.
country.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if most of the people even don't ask them that what do you want to do the work, but actually in PhD the main thing is your research work. So nobody
Mm-hmm.
asks that.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing is to make yourself mentally ready by your proposal, by your existing works and your clear
Mm-hmm.
vision. So
Okay.
the first thing. And
Mm-hmm.
second thing, when you start your PhD, start with the research methodology, but in the research methodology, please add on with some lectures. Like, okay, go to some webinars, go to some conferences, go to some online faculty development programs. Very important. Understand that.
Mm-hmm.
So many people say that going for the coursework, it just means doing statistics. And after that, you just have to understand the knowledge. That is different thing. That's a different story. Coursework will never give you a strong foundation to make a research paper and to even write a thesis.
Mm-hmm.
So read the literature, read the
Mm-hmm.
papers, read the magazines, have the domain knowledge. And
Mm-hmm.
even most important tip that I would like to give to the student is that even to the guides also, that once they are ready with at least with their two objectives, then they should even read one or two theses also, so that they should even have their presentation skills, that how they will have to write exactly the form in which they are there, because on that form they will be evaluated. And that's why
Mm-hmm.
we can say that the novelty is okay, but the
Mm-hmm.
readability of the thesis is poor.
Okay.
Have
Okay.
proper coordination with the guide, read the
Mm-hmm.
proper papers, have the proper time, and please, one important thing, have collaborations and please trust with the community and find the people who are actually working or already worked in your area, so that you
Mm-hmm.
can even ask them the questions. You can even, now let me tell you, Mr. Chandan, that even if today I don't know you, suppose we both are strangers, and you
Mm-hmm.
can just give me an email, sir, I have read your paper, your work is good, and I'm doing this research work. Can you give me some tips into my research work, into my research paper which is attached? And if you can trust me, everybody will come to you. But the only thing is your work and your presentation skills should be okay. English
Okay.
skills, try to communicate. And last
Okay.
but not the very important, please subscribe to the journals. Please keep an eye on the journal. Like suppose you are doing your work on
Okay.
cloud computing journal,
Mm-hmm.
please find there are some tools that even like journal suggestion. You can just
Mm-hmm.
type cloud computing, you'll find those journals which are actually publishing the papers in cloud computing. Okay, so find what is being happening from the last 2-3 years, what are the areas, what are the new papers that are even under early access, so that you can
Mm-hmm.
compare your work, and then you can say that I'm actually doing my PhD in a right direction with dedication and with hard work. and I have the patience that I want to do PhD. I'm actually mentally prepared to do the PhD.
Okay.
So these are the tips and tricks for the PhD student. Now, if you have specific thing, then you can ask me.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So I hope these tips will be useful to everybody. So I was also thinking this, that the time when I will plan to start my PhD, how should I actually go ahead and do that work? So what
I have
I've
already told
seen,
you to keep yourself aware and keep
yes.
yourself informed. Suppose I have already told you, if you're into cloud computing, not every
Mm,
journal is for cloud computing. Okay. So please
mm,
keep an eye on those journals which are actually built for cloud computing, which built for
mm,
sensors. So
okay.
find that material, find that things, go for journal suggester, connect with the community, connect with the people. So that's how
Mm,
you can say that what people are doing. So you have to make your network. Let me tell you,
mm,
Mr. Chandan,
mm,
today I'm having more than 1800 connections on LinkedIn, and I'm in
mm,
touch with every connection.
okay.
Okay. So why I'm in touch? Because they are in touch with me. So I
Mm,
always give them the likes. I always read their works. I always give them the feedbacks, everything. So you have to be connected with them. You have to be aware with them. Only then the
mm,
person will be connected to you. We always
mm,
say the person is not collaborative. Why he's
mm,
not collaborative? Then what are you doing on your own work? He is
mm,
not collaborative. That is his problem. What is your
mm,
problem? That are you collaborative with him? If he,
mm,
if your efforts are not in direct direction, then okay, select the other person. But give yourself and other person a chance that
mm.
you both can be a collaborative team.
Okay. So I'm really thankful for this answer, sir. I'm really thankful to you. I hope these answers would be useful to many of the other scholars too.